So today we're taking a look at the Perlegear full motion TV mount, which supports TVs from 42 inches up to 90 inches and a max of 132 pounds, which is crazy. It has full articulation, no tools are required to do that. And here are the things that are included in the box. Now, I've used this brand in the past, and everything from other mounts have been really great, whether it's a single stud mount or a mount that's like this. Now, this one is set up for 16-inch on-center studs, and I wish I checked my stud setup in this room. It's actually 24-inch. They do have ones that can go for either 16 or expand out to 24, but this one you'll see in the video, I had to do a backer plate to make it work. That's on me for not checking before getting this, so just keep in mind, check your stud spacing to do that, but you'll see right here all the pieces that are included. The instructions are really straightforward. Also comes with a mounting guide for the most part. You level that up where you want it to go and then drill your holes. But everything is really heavy duty, nicely made, and then you have that adjustment knob there on the side to make sure you can get your adjustment for your tilt and any type of articulation to it. It's also slim as well, so it makes it nice because you can get it really flat to the wall.
So these ones actually, I cut this for a 24. The stud that's by the electric outlet is right here, and then measuring that, I think it's 18. So it ended up being like 18 on center. I don't know how they have this set up. Kind of really weird outside of traditional 16 on centers, but whatever it is, found the studs, did it again with the stud finder. That's what it is. But because of that, it was not going to work as far as putting the studs in with the template. It was just making it all whacked out because that's going to be set up for 16 wide at the most. So that wasn't going to work. So what I did was I just cut a backer board. That way I can screw this into the studs, and then the template itself, you'll see here, is going to fit. I'm going to center that right there in the middle, and then I can put it essentially anywhere because the wood is going to be the backer board, and I'll just make sure that's level and good, and I'll just screw into the backer board. Make sure that was all level. Drew some pilot holes right here, and then I'm going to screw in the included screws that come with it, and that should mount it and make everything level. Make it pretty easy to slide everything together. So that slides together, and that's gonna slide right through here. And then the screw holes will line up. We're gonna screw them in. All right, so there it is. There's the Perlegear TV mount. Really well made, strong metal, pretty easy to put together. I just ran into a little bit of an issue with my stud spacing. Not a big deal. We took care of it with a backer board. Totally fine. Everything else was really straightforward to put on here. And I do like that you have all the ability to pull this out. Look how far out that actually goes. That is pretty awesome. So if you want to do that, you can loosen this, and then you can tilt this a little bit depending on what the view angle you want. But then of course you can turn it as needed. So you got a lot of different options, and you can go to a variety of different sizes with this mount. You can put a pretty large TV on it. It should hold nice, and that is not going anywhere. Really, really nicely well made. And then you can fold it almost flat. That's pretty nice there. And the great thing about this is once you mount these to the back of the TV, also pretty strong and heavy duty, you'll see right there it's got those screws, and then you release that and it's going to go around the bottom piece here to really lock it in place so it's not going to go anywhere. And then you just go ahead, screw it, and tighten it down. Now the TV that I was going to install, we had this one right here, but for something that happened, we don't know, the TV won't power on. We tried a new power supply, so I can't mount it. But just overall looking at other TV mounts that I've used in the past, and I've used actually Perlegear before and absolutely love them. I think they make a great product. And I really like these ones that you could pull out from the wall. Makes it easy getting to any of the connectors that are behind it, as well as just being able to really mount it anywhere in the room. So if you need to turn it on an angle or tilt it down, you have those options. So overall, a really great product, easy to set up and install. Just follow directions. They give you pretty much everything you need except for the drill, but they give you all the bolts that you need here. They do give you some anchors, which I think are for concrete walls. Don't use just anchors in drywall, but all the directions are there. The template makes it really easy to set up. And if you need a backer board, you can always do that too. Otherwise, if you're looking for a high quality TV mount that is going to support a wide range of sizes and weights, then this one right here from Perlegear, I would highly recommend going and check it out.